Oh. No, I'm sorry, Pilchard. I know you want your breakfast, but... Oh.
Goodness, Bob. You look ill.
I am ill. I've got a really bad cold.